Honey, please. Honey, you say you want to get healthy, yet you're not doing anything. You've got to take the initiative to get started. You've got to take the initiative to go. It's up to you to take control of what you need to do. A lot of times we procrastinate, we put things off, but sometimes we need to get started and we need to get going. Honey, please don't tell me anymore. I've got to start losing weight. I got to start doing something about all this fat, this belly around my stomach here, all this tire right here. I need to get rid of this stuff. Child, I used to be fine, but now I'm just so fat and so big, I can barely get around. Girl, I can barely breathe. I just be huffing and puffing. I don't want to hear all that. That was just a charade I went through. But sometimes I have to listen to people that complain about their weight, but they're not doing anything about their weight. It's up to you to do something about your weight. I was the same way. I weighed over 330 pounds. And I know that because I used to use 2 scales. And my scale would max out at 330 pounds. So I had 2 scales. And I would take them down in the bathroom and I would step on one scale and I'd step on the other scale. And then I would kind of just add those 2 numbers together to get my weight. I don't know if that was accurate or not, but I knew it was close enough that it satisfied me. So, you do a lot of crazy things when you're big. You don't want people to know and you're ashamed. But sometimes it's time to get over being ashamed and do something to help yourself. And that's what I'm here for. Hey, I thought that was a good line right there. So I'm going to say right here, I do coaching. I was, like I said, I was so big while I was miserable. Even my relationship suffered. I suffered because I was so unhappy. I was depressed. I mean, being overweight can cause so many feelings that you hold within, and that's not good to do. So, you know, if you're having problems with something, at least find someone to talk to. Find someone to talk with. Get those feelings out. And then the first chance you get, start doing something to get better. Start doing something to make yourself better. I'm getting ready to do a challenge, and I hope that you join in. This challenge is a 30-day weight loss challenge. It does have a minimal price. But you're going to get healthier. You're going to learn more about how to eat correctly. And it's going to be very fulfilling to and for you. Also for me. Because I'm going to be doing this 30-day challenge right along with you. I'm going to be tweaking my diet because I've reached a plateau. So I'm going to be sharing a lot of diet tips. Once a week we will have a question and answer video, a group session in a private Facebook. We'll have a private Facebook group session Q&A weekly where you can ask questions. I can share diet tips. You can share diet tips. We'll make comments or whatever. But we're going to help each other in this group. So it's going to be very, very beneficial. We're going to have, just weigh-ins, diet tips, recipes, how to make certain dishes. So don't miss out. Go to www.ketogrannycoaching.com and sign up for the 30-day Fast Starter program. I hope to see you there. Let's go. Hey guys, I like to say that if you like this video or any of the content that I'm sharing, please give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and like, and please share. That way YouTube knows that you're at least watching my videos and you're enjoying the content and it's videos that you want to see. So again, this is Keto Granny saying give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. I'm trying to reach my subscriber level so that I'm able to do other things. So please help me by liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing. Let's go. Let's get it going, you guys. And thanks. Thanks so much.